Hey YouTube, want to take your editing game to the next level without complicated software? Today I'm going to show you how to edit your YouTube videos using Capcut. Capcut, the free beginners friendly tool that packed with features. Let's dive in.
So what app that we're going to be using? We are going to be using Capcut in this video. And if you do not have Capcut, go to your app store, and then if you are using Android, to download your Capcut. But if you are using iOS, go to your Play. You can go to your Play Store. So this is Capcut. We click on Capcut. So this is the interface of Capcut. So once you see the interface of Capcut, you click on new project. It will take you to your gallery where you see your video. You click on the video that you want to edit,
Hey
and they add
everyone,
the video.
welcome to my
Once you click on the add, so once the video add on Capcut, this is how you are going to see it. You will now go ahead, but because when I was making this video, I was making it for YouTube, so if your video is not this way, you will click on edit, and then you will look for aspect ratio, and this is aspect ratio. You normally know that YouTube video are 16:19. You will click on this and then click on the arrow. So once that is done properly, you are going to edit your video. So edit, click on edit. So this is edit. There is a white end, there's a white start here, and also at the end. You are going to scroll, and then cut your video. This is split. If you don't want to split at the same time, there's a way you hold this white end and also drag it to where you want the video to cut. But the faster way of doing this is for you to split this video to where you want it to be. So once you split this video, you will cut the other part that you do not want off. So this is the other part. This is the part that we want in this video. So once this is properly done, you are going to text. You are going to add text. Once you click on text, you add text on your video. So what am I going to write on this text? Okay guys, so let me write my name. Yes, of course, I know a lot of you do not know my name, so let me write my name. Tessie Mimi. Yes, of course, that's my name. So once you've written your name, you click on font to import any font that you want, like any of this that you want. So I want this one, so I'm going to click on it. So once this is done, you are going to click on styles to put any style that you want on your video, and also resize the name or everything, like, and then position it where you want to position. You drag on it and then put it where you want it to put. So once that is done properly, if you still want effect, if you still want the animations, like how you want the text to appear, you are going to click on it. So let us click on this one, and once we click on it, we'll now click on this arrow here to like click on the to save. So this is save. You can see how the text appear. You see? So this is how it is to add text. And another thing is to overlay. Let's go to overlay, to overlay anything that we want to overlay. So once you click on overlay, you are going to click on add overlay. It will take you back to your gallery. So once it takes you back to your gallery, you are going to look for, I want to add a photo, like a picture to overlay. So I'm going to look for YouTube logo to overlay. Okay, I've seen it. So this is it. I click on the logo and then click on add. You see, it has overlay. So once this is done this way, you are going to resize it. You just click on slightly, click on it and then resize it, and then put it where you want it to be. Resize it and then put it where you want it to be. So once that is done properly, you also click and then
beginner looking to grow your
But
channel.
I feel like that that text is covering, so we are going to click on the text and then move it a little bit down this way. Yeah, that way
Beginner
is
looking to
better.
grow your
So
channel.
guys,
Yeah,
another of the editing things that you're going to be doing, looking at, is we have filter. If you want to change your video, change the look of your video, you will click on any of this filter and then it will save on your look. You are also going to adjust. Click on edit and then it will take you, scroll to adjust. So this is adjust. So in adjust here we have brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, and then clarity. So you are going to click on any of these to adjust your brightness, your contrast, your saturation. Just play with them. Do you understand? Anything that fits you. So I will click on this HLL. So once I click on this HLLs, any of the colors in this video, I will click on these colors that are here. I will click on them and then brighten the colors. Once I'm brightening the colors, just be watching. I'm brightening the purple in the video, so you can see now that the chair is becoming brighter, 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 brighter. So any of the color, even on my shirt, okay, I have blue, I'll click on blue and then the blue is coming out. Do you get it? So just play with the any color that you have here that is in your video. You just click on it and it's not press use the saturation key to like brighten everything that is there. So this is about editing, not really hard, and then everything is just, and then we have speed, how you want your video to speed. It is also here.
if you are a new beginner looking,
If you want it to speed more, you can also get it here.
if you are a new beginner looking to grow your channel, your YouTube.
You see, so all of these are here, so you just play along with it. So definitely this is how you can edit your video as a pro using Capcut. Is serious. And if you want to enhance your voice, like if you are a new beginner and you do not have your mic on and you want to enhance your voice, you click on enhance, and then once you click on enhance, you click on this and then your voice will be enhanced, and then it will clear all the background voices and everything. And also you also click, if you want auto caption, you are now going to click on auto caption generation. They have different templates here. They have different templates that you can do your auto generation CapCut generation caption. So I'm going to click on the first one to generate the everything, and it will show. So once this is it has already generated, so you are going to click
If you are
and
a
then
new beginner looking
you
to
see
grow your channel,
fine. So these are basically the, and if you want a voiceover, you are going to click on audio and then it will take you to where if you want to import sound, if you want to record sound or extract sound from another video, you will click on this. Or if you want a voiceover, you can click on record and then record your voiceover that you want in your video. So basically these are most of the things that you can use on CapCut to edit your video like a pro, yeah. So this is just it, everything about it. So you just play with it and then you will see how
if
your
you are a new
video,
beginner looking to grow
you
your
see.
channel,
And then once everything is done, once you are done with everything, you will click on export and then your video will export to your gallery, straight to your gallery. You see 99.7, and then your video is export and you are ready to use your video.
You are now ready to create professional looking YouTube videos right from your phone or computer using Capcut. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.